Hello, I'm Cristiano Ronaldo. Check out number 5 magazine.
Do it again?
Oh, bring it down slowly. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that shit before. Cheers. See ya.
Can we do that one?
Yeah.
International flavor.
Hey, yo.
International flavor.
This is Cristiano Ronaldo. I come in this morning, he goes, I can only do basic tricks. Now he's shaming me up. I said to him, can I go home? It's too much.
Yo,
Thank you very much, man.
your magazine is brilliant, man.
Thank you very much.
Cheers,
I
man.
appreciate it. I'm paying him after. I'll pay him after. But cheers. Thank you very much
Nah,
again.
no problem, no problem.
Good skills. I think the guy learned a few things from you, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I come here today, I used to think I was quite good at tricks, I've come here, Cristiano Ronaldo, I'm telling you, he's got a lot more tricks than you see on the television. He's got a lot in his locker that he keeps quiet. Superb quality, mate.
Cheers, mate. You're the man.
No, you're the man.
Number 5 magazine, RioFerdinand.com.